Welcome back, children, to lesson number 5, Wonderful World of Bholu. Children, today in this chapter we will learn about importance of plants. Children, you know that plants are very important in our life. Oxygen, which is life-giving support on earth, is exhaled by plants, and carbon dioxide, which is released by animals and human beings, is inhaled by plants. So children, without plants no oxygen, and without no oxygen no life on earth. So that is why plants are important to us, and today we will learn some more points about plants, importance of plants. So first thing is, children, trees or plants gives
in
us
olden days
shade. When people used to travel long distances on foot, they used to take rest under the shade of trees. Children, trees keep the atmosphere cool. Now children, trees are helpful in bringing rain. Now you will see how trees are helpful in bringing rain. Then trees take water from the soil and release it into the atmosphere. Trees enables water to condense and form clouds. Large scale deforestation reduces rainfall in some areas by up to 30%. That means if we cut down more trees, there will be scarcity of rainfall in our area. So children, if one tree is cut down, we should plant one more tree so that balance is maintained. Children, trees provide us with fresh air. They are also helpful in reducing soil erosion. Now children, you will ask, what is soil erosion? Then soil erosion is the wearing down and carrying away of soil is called soil erosion. And children, how this soil erosion is caused? It is caused by natural factors like strong winds and floods. And they are caused by human factors also, because we humans are cutting down many trees. Roots of trees and plants hold the soil together. When trees are cut down, the soil becomes loose and is easily carried away. So that is why more and more trees should be grown to avoid soil erosion. Plants also gives us wood for fuel and furniture. Children, nowadays we all are having LPG gas at home, but now also in some areas wood is used as fuel. Plants gives us food grains, pulses, vegetables, spices and fruits. And these are very important in our life, because without food we cannot survive. Children, some plants provide us with medicines also. There are many medicinal plants available which are helpful in curing many diseases. Some examples of medicinal plants are ginger, tulsi, neem, turmeric, aloe vera, mint, cinnamon, etc. These plants have remedies for defense against insects, fungi diseases, common cold, headache, etc. Indian medical science, that is Ayurveda, deals with such type of medicinal plants. Children, plants give fragrant and colorful flowers that increase the beauty of our surroundings. Children, these flowers increases the beauty of our environment and adds beauty to the nature. Children, these flowers look beautiful on their plants only. Take precautions that nobody plucks the flowers or leaves of the plants and throw here and there. So children, today we have learnt about importance of plants, and you might have realized that how trees are important in our lives. So hence children, we will take a pledge to grow more and more trees to save our environment. Children, this was for all today. We will meet in my next video. Till then, stay connected. Bye-bye.